Tools for guys. We get the job done.
Breaking news now, Tools for Guys have released new t-shirt designs. If you think this one's cool, check the link in the description below.
Jason here with Tools for Guys, and today I want to talk about how to clean a dryer vent. So the wife came to me I don't know, maybe it was more than a couple weeks ago, probably a couple months ago, saying that the dryer was taking twice as long. She'd have to almost run it twice for the clothes to be dried. So what that probably tells me, and these are relatively newer dryer, maybe 2 years old at the most, more than likely is that the dryer vent just needs to be kind of cleaned out, right? And so I actually a couple years ago, about 2, maybe 3 years ago, bought, I'm not even probably saying this right, but I think it's Holikme is the brand, and I'll show you right there. You can zoom in on that, right? About 2, maybe 3 years ago, I've already used this once, thought I'd get it on camera this time, but the idea is they come with these flexible rods. You can see how they bend, right? And I think mine's will connect up to 30 feet long. Some you can purchase for 40 feet. And the idea is that you will basically just put it into the vent here. You can see this picture, and then it'll climb up, because mine is in the middle of the house. So I've already used this before a couple years ago. It works very well. Just thought I'd get it on camera this go around. So it comes with these whole bunch of different rods. Like I mentioned, you just kind of connect them together. If I can get one that, there we go. And so you just literally easily connect these together, okay? And then it's got a little brush here at the end. Just screw that on. Really simple, straightforward. And it also comes with a little attachment that goes to the impact driver. See that there, little attachment? And look, boom, it's on there. And then that would just then screw in. And then you can see. All right, so, and I remember, about 2 years ago when I used this, I don't even think I used the drill. It's optional. I mean, I was just twisting it with my hand and the lint was coming out, but we're gonna probably use it this time just so that you can see both methods. All right, let's go ahead and head it over to the washer and dryer room. I wanna show you how we use this tool to clean out the dryer vent, okay? So first of all, you can probably see here, I've already pulled back the dryer so I can get back here. And there's gonna be a little duct. Hunter, if you wanna just get this, right? This back end, I already disconnected from the dryer, but you wanna disconnect this. Now sometimes it is just wrapped with duct tape. And sometimes it's got these little brackets on it, and we can just unscrew it until it loosens up enough to where you can slide that off. All right, so look at that. So first of all, you can see, like I said, I did this about 2 years ago. You can see there's definitely some buildup just in the duct here, right? So we're gonna wanna also use the tool to kind of go up as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. The actual drill, but it was just loose enough, but we're gonna go ahead and use it. Now, I've only got 2 of these right now, okay? All right, so let's see. And these are pretty bendable. We're gonna just see how this does. It might get a little dusty, so if you can back up just a tad, Hunter. Am I in focus? All right, here we go. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can already see some of that coming out. You getting that, Hunter? Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so each of these are about 2 feet long. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add another one. There we go. All right, going, Hunter? All right. All right, so this is number 4. So this is about now 4 feet. All right, you see it keeps coming out. So I definitely needed to get this done. The wife was right. All right, this is number 5. Man, that is definitely packed in there. I'm going to add another one. All right, so now I've added 2 more. It was starting to take too long one by one. So we're now at 7 feet. You can see we've got a lot there. There was a lot in the duct itself. Here we go. So it's starting to get less. I'm going to add 2 more and come back to you. All right, so I've added 2 more. We're now at 9 feet because they're about a foot each. All right, so here we go. It is starting to lessen up, but I still probably want to check this 9 foot. All right, we're gonna come back and I'm gonna probably do 3 more at this time. All right, so I've added 3 more. We're now at about 12 feet, and it looks like it's pretty much lessened, but I'm gonna keep going. Ooh, that was a big chunk. All right, so I think I'm gonna go 3 more feet. We're gonna go to 15 feet, and I'll be right back. All right, so I ended up putting 15 of these. They're slightly over a foot, so let's just say it's probably about 16, 17 foot. And it stopped coming out, and so now I'm just kind of taking them out here. You can kind of see them coming out. Very flexible. Very flexible. As you can see, it's winding up and circled up at my feet there. And by the way, last thing to note, this thing came off right at the end and fell out. Just make sure it's really tight before putting it up there, but obviously it still fell out and came out. But there you have it. I mean, I was able to fit 15 of these in there, and there's still 3 more left, but it stopped coming out, so I decided to stop. So thanks for watching. That's how you clean a dryer duct vent. I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.